Hey guys, Tom is one of my best friends. Tom's 72 years old. He's a member of our online home group that we meet on every Saturday at 6:30, and he's technologically challenged. And someone in the home group gave him a Macbook Pro so he could have a better experience in the Zoom call because it's better than his iPhone. Tom forgets how to log into Zoom frequently, and he missed last week's class because he just hasn't assimilated the pattern, which is normal for folks that are older and technologically challenged. So I told Tom, we need to schedule some time frequently so I can teach you and you can learn the habit. And today I said, you need to schedule some time with me. And he said, yeah, I do, but so-and-so always shows up on my porch, and this person's so needy, and I just never know when he's coming. So let me ask you a question. Tom has an issue of boundaries. I want you to know, what is Tom's issue? Next thing I want you to think about is, who do you have, what technician do you have that constantly rings your telephone unannounced when you really need him to take care of himself? What person in the office is always standing at your door needing help on something they should already have learned? Who are you rescuing that needs to have already learned what they don't know? And think about this. What can you do about it? How do you need to change your response? How can you change your response? How do you say no? Chime in. I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you and God bless. Subscribe to my channel. Hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.